Hi, this is Rick from Rick's Daily Tips Tech blog. Windows 11 doesn't provide a simple way to pin a folder to the taskbar like you could in Windows 10, but there's a simple workaround that works quite well, which I'll demonstrate here. And by the way, this works with Windows 11 and Windows 10. First thing you want to do is right-click on the folder. Let's use this folder right here, Autumn Pics. You'll see that it's just a regular folder holding a few pictures with autumn scenes. If I want to pin this folder to the taskbar, I just right click on the folder, click Create Shortcut, and you'll get a message that says Windows can't create a shortcut here. Do you want the shortcut to be placed on the desktop instead? Click Yes, and you'll see that the shortcut has been created on the desktop. Now what you want to do is right click on that new shortcut. Go down here and click Properties. Now here in the target field, you want to go to the very head of the target field in front of this quotation mark and type the word Explorer. After you type Explorer, hit the space bar one time to give you a space between the word Explorer and this quotation mark, then click OK. Now all you have to do is take this folder and drag it onto the taskbar, and now it's pinned to the taskbar. If I right click on it, you'll see that you can unpin it if you want to. Of course, you probably won't want to because you drug it down there to start with. Now if you click on this folder, it'll open. Right there it is. Click on it again, and there you go. Now this also works with folders that already belong on the desktop. Like let's say I wanted to pin this geek folder. You just right click on the folder, create shortcut. There's your new shortcut. Right click, Properties, go to in front of the C, type Explorer, and hit your space bar, and just drag it down to the taskbar. And there you go. Like I said, this method works both with Windows 11 and Windows 10. I don't know why Microsoft saw it in their infinite wisdom not to let you do it in Windows 11 the same way you do it in Windows 10, but this will work in either one. If you found this tip useful, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button and sign up for my channel. Thank you.